Yeah. Yeah. You don't know who I am. Don't know what I've been through. Money ain't shit to me. That should be fooling you. But I like that ice on my wrist. I would still buy some new kicks. Flex on you bitches. If I flow with riches, I help.
Let's try this again.
That's for my homies. What's good?
Just returned what I didn't use to AutoZone. So now we're about to head to Tracy. See if we make it. Alright, she doing cool. Cool and still steady. Okay, 45 minutes to go. Alright, we've reached the halfway point to the shop. Car's still doing pretty good, but what I did notice is it's saying that my door is open when it isn't. So I'll look at that when I get to the shop. I'll check the coolant levels, make sure everything's straight. But she's driving cool. It's raining out here, and she hasn't hydroplaned once. Nice, good, sturdy, comfy. Well, we rolling. Okay, so found some new problems because since I'm driving in a storm, when I'm going like 80, kicking up a bunch of water in the engine bay, power steering belt starts to squeak and then it starts to slip a little bit. So there's that. We'll see how dirty it is, but now I'm thinking there may be like a diffuser or a full flat underbody under the motor coming, because I'd like to drive mine in all seasons, all weather. Yep, heard that. That was the belt. So either it's slipping right now or, bro, what are you doing? Stupid ass truck. Either it's slipping or it is loose. So right now it sounds like it's might be loose. So we're at the shop, so let's figure it out. Think the belts are squeaking because it's raining. Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, look at water. Unless the pulley gets bad. Yeah.
WD-40 on that son bitch.
You got some?
Yeah.
Here, let me move this shit out. Yeah, move it forward. It's done? It ain't done. Oh,
I gotta
shit.
get the sealant for it. Other than that, it's done.
Ooh. Wait, are these like studs?
They're like bolts and like a little plastic retainer piece, and they like kind of hold themselves in there. But they wobble around in the plastic a little bit, so you gotta mess with it. It goes up.
It's so hard. I almost had it. All right, let me move my shit. Go, go.
You gotta hold it.
Huh? Did you spray it?
Yeah, that's his alternator or something.
Did you spray it? Yeah. Spray another pulley.
Spray all the pulleys.
Like a pulley or something.
Yeah, probably the idler pulley. Yeah, finally got some of that. There you go.
Huh? Oh, see if it got players. Yeah, that shit, bruh. It started raining. That shit was like, oh, wait a minute, hold on, wait. That shit was like, the alternator slipped. I saw the voltage drop a little bit. Then it came back, and I was like, okay, belt slipping. Then it started doing this shit.
Our belt's fucked. Look at that.
Will it look like shiny?
Yeah, it's rusty.
Magnetic.
Yeah.
So it should stick somewhere. Ooh, look at this, all shiny and shit. Look at that. All right, let's see. Hey. You want to start the car?
Take the up belt off.
It ain't.
That's your idler right there. Take it off the idler and then we'll do it again.
Yep, that's what I'm about to do.
Shut it down.
I got it.
Go the other way.
Why am I using this? Wait a minute.
Here.
I got it. Yeah, she is crusty.
Just pull it off the...
All right. Go ahead. No noise. Probably the AC compressor or the idler. You hear the greediness. It's like idler's fucked.
But it didn't get worse when you turned your AC on either, so...
Track. Yeah, it's that one. You can feel it because when you spin it right now, I can hear it just.
It's pretty.
Yeah, well, I feel like it's like metal to metal, like it's touching something. So
The AC one spins.
fine. Belt's back on. So we're going to Tighten the nut. Tighten this nut. Takes forever. So she's back together. Got to change that idler pulley down there, and I can put the belt back on. And other than that, I think we're pretty good. All right, I'm out.
You want it?
All right, bruh. What's that? A gritty?
Ready. Big ass.
Somebody fancy. All right. Fuck. Now I gotta drive back. Did you drive it yesterday? You drove it home? Oh. All right. Whoa. Well, that will conclude today's craziness. Probably should just
but I forgot to close the light.
kept
So
the
when you
car for
open
another
up
day
your
or so,
eyes,
but
give yourself some
whatever.
space to stay. Let your
What's done
mind
is
give
done.
you security and you
We're
gon'
out.
find your way. Without a map, you navigate. No need an app to find your place. You got your headspace and your memory. You hustle your own pace. I got the sauce, so I'll be great. Life is a never-ending race, so I'm gon' live the way I want to. Plant my roots to heal the pain. My 2 feet never defeated. I'm elite, but never conceited. Just a child who tends to weep. Heavy soul and heart too deep. I'm a child of the earth, sun and moon, and all the stars. I search for far, but with these scars, only my heart will find my peace. Yeah.